Previously.
We're making our way down to the river. Kitten attacked me this morning. It looks like a little happy face. I'm wet!
We got craziness everywhere.
That's insane.
Day 2.
Good morning. This is our view this morning. It's a pretty nice morning. The sun's just coming up over the hills. Oh, my brain's not working. I can't think of anything to say, so I better get a fire going and get some coffee started. All right, we got a fire going. I was a little nervous after yesterday's debacle with the fire. Didn't want to put too much wood on it. But everything's a little bit moist this morning. At one point, we felt like the water was coming up, and I was getting a little bit nervous about it. And so we came over here, we put a stick in the ground, and that's where the water was last night when we went to bed, was right at that stick. And now it's about almost 2 feet past the stick, so the water was coming up. The water is coming up slowly. Fortunately, it's not coming up enough where we had to pack up in the middle of the night and move the tent somewhere, so that's good news. Over there, the weather's not looking so great, but it looks like it's gonna bypass us, hopefully. And that might be ready for you there, babe. Your coffee? Oh. That was thunder.
Good thing it's going that way.
Yeah, you can just keep going that way.
It's going to.
There's 2 things I get excited for on Sunday morning. It's coffee and bacon, and I've already had coffee. The eggs will be interesting in this pan after. Bacon remnants everywhere,
Oh. Yummy.
and they're cooked on right now. I wonder if it wouldn't be best to walk over here sideways.
Yeah. Maybe.
It's leaking deep right there.
Yeah.
This is gonna suck.
Yeah, I think it's just a way to drop off there.
Yeah. I think that's what I want to do. Well, these eggs kind of look like butt, actually. But it's because they picked up all the bits of bacon, so it's like bacon eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and bacon eggs. That's what it is. So that's going to be delicious, I think. Bacon's cooked perfectly. I got Sam to crack the eggs open for me. And the one cracked this way. You ever seen that? I've never ever seen that. Is it this way? Oh, here it is. This is how it goes. That's super weird.
Go left. That's right, keep coming. Go left.
When breakfast was done, it was time to pack up camp.
Alright, so that was a nice lazy morning. We were in absolutely no hurry at all, so we just took our time and had a nice breakfast, just hung out, chilled, enjoyed the nice spot that we found. It was a little bit cooler this morning, and I thought it was going to be kind of cool all day, but as soon as we started packing up and getting ready to go, the sun came out, which is pretty cool. So our campsite is all clean here, minus a little, oh, hold on, a little pile of ash. Oh, I'm not good at, no, never mind. Anyways, our campsite's clean. With the exception of this little bit of ash, we didn't leave any mess, and ash is no big deal. We're gonna launch off this little ledge right here, and then we're gonna go check out the flooded field all in there. We both figure it's probably pretty neat in there, so I'm stoked to check it out. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It's gonna
All
be
right,
fun.
yeah. So let's go. Cool. This is like the closest we're ever going to get to mangroves here in Kamloops. This is pretty cool though. Oh, I want to go through that little, I see a little tunnel through there, but I don't know if it'd be deep enough. It's almost too bad there's that barbed wire there. It's like a whole other little lake. Are you going through those ones? Yeah, I know, the wind is, I'm like trying to get around trees and the wind is pushing me into trees. Okay, well, you know, that might not have been the best idea, but it was kind of cool. Oh, the corralling logs. The corralling logs. Huh. Big mulch pile in here. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, why are we thinking at landing at Padova? We should land at the Cowpie Lake entrance. We'll be right on the road. Yeah, yeah, I was thinking we gotta start crossing because, yeah, the wind and the current. Yeah, probably. We should aim to get to that island or whatever, and then
Yeah, do you want to try and see if we can stay in here and get up a bit
Yeah, it'll probably be easier to get up in here.
Yeah, and then we can cross over. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
we were being dumb.
Yeah. That way we don't have to truck boats.
No, we don't have to truck them at all. We'll be right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I just thought of that. Like, that's way better. Our landing point is almost directly across the river, but with the wind and the current, we have to ferry glide our way across so that we don't overshoot it. Otherwise, we'll have to drag our boats a long ways back. I'm already starting to turn. So, the wind is not super strong, but it's strong enough that it's blowing us around, and the currents right now are pretty crazy, so I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing here. Kind of botched that. Oh, it's busy here today. That's fine. Oh, that's rock. Oh. Yeah, that sounds about right. Oh, the water's not as deep as it was the last time we were here.
No.
Because only like that much of the sign was poking out the top.
Flooded, like that spot where we're camping, we wouldn't have been able to camp there.
No.
Yeah.
It would have been flooded out.
That would have been so flooded.
Yeah, because the last time we were here, it was up to the concrete pad there.
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah.
All right, we've made it to the other side. That was actually a lot of work. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Nap time.
Nap time. Nope, not yet. We got to call our friend who's going to come meet us here, and he's going to pick Sam up, and then she's going to go home and get the car, and we're going to load everything up and then go home. What was that? I can't see that in the screen.
You'll see it in the video.
What were you doing?
Never mind.
What was she doing? Let me know.
You'll see it in the video.
Anyways, we're going to get our boats all packed up, unpacked, whatever the hell I'm trying to say, and we're gonna do that and wait for our friend to get here. So it's the weirdest goddamn thing. We just got here and Sam hasn't even turned her phone on, and our buddy's here now. Already here waiting for us. Kind of. That's awesome. That's the end of our trip. I didn't film the packing up because I'm tired and I kind of forgot about it, and nobody wants to see that crap anyways, because that's the worst part of the trip. But we had a lot of fun. I think it was a really good trip. Any thoughts about the trip?
It was fun.
It was fun. Like, I couldn't ask for a better trip, actually. The weather was great. We had some interesting circumstances to make it, you know, so it's not too boring, and we just relaxed and had fun. So it was fun doing that. So we hope you liked watching it, because we liked making it, and if you did, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought about it and what maybe you want to see in the future, and we'll see what we can do with that. All right, until the next one, we'll catch you later.